Alright, I'm back.
Okay.
There, I saw them. They're in. Sad. Oh! Oh no. Oh no.
That's bad.
Very bad.
Yeah.
It's 3 times worse than the last time I heard it.
Oh yeah, it's not good. Not good at all.
It was blowing a bit of black smoke out the back.
Oh, did it?
Black. Dark gray. Normally when an engine is cold, it blows like a white, cloudy smoke. That was
Well,
real dark.
Get time, hopefully, when I get this, because this will be, it will be like the shed next door, so I can put everything up in the rafters.
Yeah, it was real dark smoke.
And it'll be...
It's still kind of in the air. You can see the smoke.
Sorry?
The smoke's still kind of in the air.
So I'm going to take the engine out and rebuild the engine. I think. I don't know yet.
It's probably going to need like a new cylinder head because the piston's probably crashing into the top of the head.
I don't think it's a valve.
There's a lantern fly on there's a lantern fly on your back. There's a lantern fly on your back. Yep, you got it. He's in the grass now.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, he's over there now. Somewhere in there.
They're everywhere.
I see him.
According to your mum, if you attack them from the back, they don't like it. But if you attack them from the front...
Yep, you're on the front. Oh,
See?
that works instantly.
If you attack them from the front, they can't see you. But if you attack them from the back, they can. And it worked. He's feeling rather depressed now.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's a nice truck. There's a lot of rust underneath.
Yeah. It might, if you undercoat it, it's probably not gonna rust anymore.
Well, we'll see. I mean, it's actually a nice looking truck.
The Chevrolet logo fell off right there.
Sorry?
The Chevrolet logo fell off.
Oh, it fell off?
Yeah. Don't know when, it was like years ago I noticed this.
Oh, okay.
That's gone. The other side I think is still there last time I saw it.
I don't even know.
Spiders. Spiders and friends. The other side's still here at least. Even the mirror thing is rusted.
It's so rusty.
Oh, good God. Look at the hood.
Yep.
It's destroyed.
You see the, oh, I can't show you the tailgate where someone wrote their name in it.
Mina was like 4 when she did that. She's
this,
got a
look.
rock and just scraped it.
See all the plastic has come off? Look.
Hey, is there a beehive in the gas cover yet? No, but that's rusty.
It is, look.
There's no beehives in there yet. Normally they make beehives at the top.
Well, I have a good way of getting rid of them.